This is Pastor Leo and you're watching Acts of the Apostle, inspiring leaders to walk by faith and change the world. As we continue our topic about honoring our parents, honoring means respecting and giving priority because they are our parents and they deserve our immediate attention. Especially when they ask us to do something, maybe an errand or maybe they're doing something that needs help, you and I need to respond immediately as a sign of respecting them. We should not be hesitant. We should not be complaining. We should not be reasoning out. We should not be asking them to wait. Because definitely when they ask us to do something, it is of value and importance. It needs immediate attention. Maybe they need immediate help. And so our assistance is really needed. So responding to them immediately because they needed something is a sign of respect. So let's continue to mold ourselves on how to respect and honor our parents today. Until next time, let's continue to equip God's people for every good work.